Last week, I had a client reach out to me in an absolute panic. He called me, he texted me, he left voice messages, and everything said the same thing. Tiffany, I don't know where my EIDL information is. I lost my loan documents. I don't know my loan number. I don't know where to log in, and I don't know where my payments are due. Does any of this ring a bell for you? If so, don't feel bad. You're not alone. I'm going to give you guidance on where to go, where to sign up if you do not have a new updated portal, and how to get things rolling if you've forgotten. Most recipients of the EIDL loan did not have any payments due for 30 months. Interest has accrued since the beginning of the loan, but you didn't have any payments due until 30 months after you got the loan. So it's very understandable that you may have forgotten. You may have been trying to keep your business stabilized, grow your business. Some of you close your business. I definitely understand not keeping up with every detail that SBA puts out. No worries. Let's walk through everything together so you know where to look. Whether you have Google, Microsoft, Apple, you're just going to open up a browser and you're going to go to sba.gov. Once you're there, and there are multiple ways that you can get here, but on the home screen, you can just scroll down to Home and Business Disaster Loans. Apply for assistance. Here it says manage your SBA disaster loan. You're going to click log into your account. So then it goes over all the information. It talks about paycheck protection, government contracting, but we need to know my SBA loan portal. So the portal that you initially applied in is no longer available. You try to go to that portal, it's closed, and this is the new portal. It has been here for quite some time, but this is the new portal for you to manage your payments. So we're going to go to SBA Loan Portal, and from here you will see Paycheck Protection Program, COVID EIDL, Disaster Assistance loans. And if you're wondering about disaster assistance loans, if the physical location that your business is in has not experienced a natural disaster as of late, you do not qualify for a disaster assistance loan. There may be some of you who are business owners in Hawaii and recently experienced the wildfires. There is some disaster loans available for you, and if a natural disaster has occurred, then you may be eligible for a disaster assistance loan. I recorded another video about that, and I'm going to put the link to that video somewhere on this screen. But what we are here for today is to look at this portal, the COVID EIDL portal. If you have already signed in, and again, this is not the portal that you applied through, you can just click here and click sign in and make payment. If you have not, then you need to register. Okay, this is where you go. My SBA, one login for multiple SBA programs. Again, the previous programs, the previous portals are not available. Please read through this to make sure you actually need to complete this. If you have not looked at your loans in 2.5 years, you probably need to come here and register for an account. This portal is part of My SBA. My SBA allows users to log into multiple SBA systems using the same login credentials. Sign in with your My SBA credentials to continue. If you already have a Capital Access Financial System, CAFS, or Veteran Small Business Certification, VetCert account, use those credentials to sign in. So if that's you need to use your credentials. You can click here and it will take you to another screen to just sign in. If you have never seen this, if the last website you've seen was the previous SBA portal, the portal that you used to apply for your SBA EIDL loan and sign your loan documents, then you need to go ahead and register for this. You're going to plug in all of your information. There are multiple sections. The client who reached out to me, he's an older gentleman, and it took him quite some time to complete all of this information and verify his identity. I had to help him upload his license and his social security number, his social security card. Now, this man has been a client of mine for many years. If I have not already mentioned, my name is Tiffany. I am a small business consultant. Between 2020 and 2023, I helped small businesses secure over $10 million in EIDL money, PPP money, and corporate grants. I have helped small business clients all over the country apply for SBA products as well as small business grants. I help small businesses set up, launch, and grow. So after I helped my client work through all of these different sections, he was able to log in and see all of his credentials, his loan documentation and information, and see when his payment is due. So this is where you go to take care of your SBA loan. They also have a phone number down here at the bottom of the screen and an email address. So if you're confused about anything or overwhelmed, you don't know the status of your loan, then reach out to the Small Business Administration for help. If you have questions or things that I can help you with specifically, I have opened up my calendar for SBA related questions, whether you are dealing with EIDL or PPP and you need more support than you feel that you can get by calling the SBA directly or emailing them directly. Feel free to click the link in the description below and schedule some time with me. I hope that this information was helpful. Please let me know. Have you ever logged into this portal? Have you forgotten about your SBA loan? Are you current? Are you behind? Are you struggling with anything pertaining to the funding that you got from SBA? If so, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and get an understanding as to how your business is doing. Until next time, like, subscribe. If this information can be useful to a family or friend, send it to them as well. Thanks.